Alright, so this is going to be the shootout, which is just a fun little 5-lap kind of race thing they do. We're going to go out around 1 lap behind this coach, and then he's going to slow everybody up before the last turn, and they do a rolling start green flag for 5 laps. And so the plan is, when the green flag drops, all the leader bikes are going to fly out ahead of me down the main straightaway, and that's going to make for some work to get by them. But what I'm hoping is most of them will brake way too early over Alpha for 2 reasons. One, most people just brake too early there, and 2, they're not going to be carrying the same speed that they do on a hot lap. So I'm going to try to just sweep around the outside of everybody over Alpha and into turn 1. And if I can stay ahead, then I won't have any trouble with all the leader bikes. And then I just gotta hope and pray that Drew Janker doesn't come by me, which he's a better rider, but he's on his Duke 890, I think. So I've got about 10 horsepower on him. And the track looks pretty dry now, really like totally dry now. Nope, never mind, there he is right there. He's on the Panigale. So yeah, it's all I'll ask to win this one. Hey Drew, how you doing? But we'll see how it goes. Should be, hopefully I can just maybe latch on and run some good times behind him at least. Or maybe he'll make a mistake. You never know. So alright, coming around the chicane. I really wish he would have been on a smaller bike. I mean, he'd still freaking outrun me, but it'd been a lot, probably be closer. We'll see. I kind of want to be on his left though, so I'm not worried about anybody cutting up the inside into one. I don't want anyone getting between me and the wall. Who's this on my left? Ain't happening. I gotta get around this guy or Drew's gonna be gone. And there goes another one. And that's 1000 of Dre. And now my microphone's in my face. just a Trackday, Greg. Don't be stupid. Like sounds like a big V twin. All right, here we go. Here we go. He got a shit drive. So let's get him. Yeah. Stay off that lever. This helmet I can't see.